Hi guys, welcome to Evalina's Diaries. My name is Evalina and we're gonna read one of my favorite books, Pigs Make Me Sneeze. I hope you enjoy it. Gerald! What do you want to do today? I want to, yes? Oh, a ball? A swim? A hat? Sniff, are you okay? I do not know. Choo! I cannot stop snuff. Choo! Oh no! What if pigs make me sneeze? Choo! Oh boy. What if you try sneezing more softly? Sorry, but if pigs do make me sneeze, then I cannot be near you. Then we cannot be friends. Then we must be apart forever. But Gerald, no, do not speak. It's too late. Goodbye. Gerald, sniff. Are you okay, Gerald? No, I'm not okay, Dr. Cat. Pigs make me sneeze. And Pig is a pig. Piggie is also my best friend. Great, now cats make me sneeze too. I do not think pigs make you sneeze, and I do not think cats make you sneeze. I think you have a cold. A cold? You're sick. I am sick. Oh, thank you, Dr. Cat. That's really funny. Piggie, great news! I have a cold! Good for you. The end. I hope you enjoyed the story. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye. Okay, but now try without me and don't say a word, please. 1, 2, 3. Welcome to Evan. Let's start again.